Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama's Touch and I am Tanya. Your girl is back in the kitchen as I told you I would be. So today I'm just coming to you real quick to show you to let you guys know what I'm gonna do for Thanksgiving. As you see, I have my 2 turkeys here and I'm getting ready to brine them. So I just throw a whole bunch of herbs and spices into there and some fruit. So unfortunately I don't have my tripod, so I just wanted to come and just say some of the things that I have, and when I get it mixed in my bowl I'll come back and show you guys. I have my water heating up. I'm gonna bring it to a nice simmer. I don't want it to boil. We don't want the water to boil. And then when it boils, I'm going to add some fresh cold water to it. I'm going to let the water cool down. Then I'm going to add some cold water to it. And I'm going to let it get really cool before I pour it on my turkeys. And then I'm going to put them in a cooler. And then we're going to ice them down. And I'm going to leave this for a 1 day 24 hours or more, as long as I have it in there for 1 day. But I just wanted to come and show you guys some of the things that I will be doing. I might not be able to take you through my whole Thanksgiving dinner because I am making a lot, but I definitely want to show y'all this process. I don't have on the countertop right now. I'm going to put some oranges in there, the peel, and I'm gonna put some apples in there. And I don't have my peppercorns, but they went to the store to go get it, so I'm just gonna show you quick what I have right here. So I have some fresh sage. This is some Spanish rosemary and sea salt. I have some rosemary here because I want to put some fresh rosemary, and then I got some fresh thyme that I'm gonna put in there, and then we have some bay leaves. I have some brown sugar. I have some minced onions, and I'm gonna put some garlic in there. I don't have it over here yet. I have some juniper berries. I have some star anise. I have some kosher sea salt, and this right here is some parsley. And back there, that's just another thing of bay leaves. So I'm gonna get all these seasonings mixed up in a bowl, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys. So here we are with all the ingredients in there for the brine. Everything is mixed together. As you can see, I have my rosemary. I have my bay leaves in there. I have some apples diced it up in there. Oops, sorry about the finger. And we have our brown sugar. We have our salt and thyme. Everything is mixed in there. And we have some star anise in there. And you guys, it smells really, really good. Like very earthy. And if you know like how star anise has that very like licorice smell, it smells really good. So this may seem like a lot, but when it going into the water, and then I'm gonna pour like 2 to 3 gallons of water. Make sure I'm covering both turkeys with this the brine. And so we're gonna have it brining for, like I said, 24 hours or maybe even longer until I'm ready to fry them. And as you can see, I did leave the stems in there because the stems has a lot of flavors as well as the leaves itself. So, and we're not going to use this. Once we brine our turkeys, we discarding that because you can't use it because the poultry. And so, and what would you want this salty sweet solution for? So I'll come back and show you guys once I have it in my Ziploc bags and ready to start the process of brining. So stay tuned. Here's the brine. It's cooling down, and then I'm gonna get it on the turkey. So here we are with the 2 turkeys in the brine, and here go my big jumbo Ziploc bag. And I know it looks like it's not covering it, but they floating, so I'm gonna put something to weigh it down. Once I put the ice, it's gonna definitely submerge into the brine. So I just want to come and show you guys what I have here, and then I'm gonna put a lot of ice to cover this whole thing to keep it chilled for 24 hours or more. So we got our ice on there, and it's very chilled. I even left some blocks just sitting up here, and we good to go. So we're gonna make sure this is sealed tightly, so no air can come in or out. And then we're gonna come back tomorrow, and I will season it, and then we'll be getting ready to inject it so we can fry our turkeys. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like button, and thank you. See you later. Here I took the turkey out and it patted it dry, and I'm getting ready to inject it with the Tony Sachet butter, Creole butter, and the Zatarans. After I inject it with the butter, we season it with some Tony Sachet seasoning. This is the Cajun one, and then I'm also going to season it with some of my house seasoning, and we just going to get it. Make sure you rub it all over the turkey. Make sure all the turkey has seasoning on every part of it, because this will be very good. Once you fry it, you will have seasoning all over your turkey. So as you can see, my daughter is massaging it in there, making sure seasoning is on the bottom and the top of the turkey. And don't forget the inside of the turkey as well. And this seasoning is going to be great when you get that crispy skin on your fried turkey. So we have the turkey in the turkey fryer right now. The temp is 375, and it's 3 to 5 minutes per pound. So we're gonna let this go for like 45 minutes to an hour, but we're gonna be checking it periodically. And as you can see, this oil is very hot, so you always have to be careful when you're using this. But I love using this butterball deep turkey fryer, because it's really good and you don't have to worry about no fire catching in your house. So in the end, I'm going to insert some clips on how this turkey is looking. I thank you guys for watching, and this is our fried turkey. Nice, crispy, juicy skin.